What's the meaning of baggy? Baggy. Baggy.
Baggy. Baggy. The word baggy is an adjective that describes something that is loose, ill-fitting or excessively bulky. This term is often used to describe clothing that is oversized or has a shapeless appearance. Clothes that are too big for a person can be considered baggy. The term can also be used to describe items such as bags, pants, or sleeves that are excessively loose or floppy. Additionally, the term baggy can indicate a lack of tautness or firmness in something, such as a face or skin that appears saggy or loose. Generally, the word baggy connotes a sense of excess or looseness that may not be desirable in certain situations.